When it comes to the quality of a certain brand of down jacket, people often measure whether they have down leakage or not. There's a huge misconception. There are the following reasons for down leakage in down jackets. The first reason is the quality of the down. Low quality down is usually short, the diameter of the down head is small, and the probability of leakage through the fabric is high. The more inferior down fill, the more obvious the leakage situation will be. The second point is the density of the fabric. If the density of the fabric is too small and the fabric structure is loose, there will be larger pores, causing down leakage. Many down jackets use lower strength 7D fabrics. Although it is soft, comfortable, and easy to store, it also compromises the strength of the fabric, making it prone to leakage. The third point is the sewing techniques. Most outdoor down jackets use a box-shaped wrist structure. If the needle hole of the suture is large, or the distance between the sutures is too large, it will increase the possibility of down passing through the gap. Now, to improve this, the more commonly used sewing process is hot-pressed glue like a jacket, or an adhesive that directly bonds the fabric together. But this method may also be taken after a long time, which will eventually cause down leakage. A more advanced approach is seamless stitches. An additional barrier is formed inside the down jacket to prevent the down from escaping. This method has the best anti-leakage effect, but the process will be more cumbersome. In fact, the down collected by professional outdoor brands is not too bad. The key is the last 2 points. Like excellent down brands, under the same conditions of down quality, wearing down jackets with different fabrics and sewing processes, the degree of down leakage is definitely different. So you can't simply judge the quality of a brand of down jackets by down leakage.